Why does your scanner show the P242A engine code? What does it mean? P242A is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit bank 1 sensor 3. This engine code indicates a problem with the sensor that monitors exhaust gas temperature, crucial for engine performance and emissions control. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor, wiring and connection problems, exhaust system issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, Volkswagen, and Skoda models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.